Brian's in his parachute jacket. We're on the side of the road. We're on the island of Maui. And I don't know anything else. I can't really pronounce anything else. Just Vermont, kind of out of place here. The sand in the ground is so cool because it's all this volcanic ash, so it's like fine, gritty. It's almost like sand, but it's, wouldn't really just call it sand like you would see at like Florida or whatever. And then there's these weird cactuses that grow in the center of the island, which is really unique. It's like different ecosystems on one island. It's really cool. So we're just kind of cruising around. So Brian's rocking a KTM 390 Duke, and I'm on a CB500X today. It's an interesting little rig. Not very fast at all, but he'll have that. All right, you ready to roll? Ooh, slippery. The dirt is just interesting. It's like the stuff you'd see like Apollo, from the Apollo missions, the film footage, the dirt and stuff on the ground. It's very similar to that. It's like the moon. He's looking good. Yeah, Brian's trying to get his bearings. He hasn't really ridden much this season. And to be fair, it's not really motorcycle season yet in Vermont. So I think this GoPro microphone setup. Oh, dude, it's just hitting my whip.
All right, so obviously we are having some huge difficulties with the microphone on the GP9. I don't know, there's something wrong with the jack size. It's all worn out. It won't accept a jack or microphone without slipping out. So here we are just cruising around the lower valley of Maui between the two ancient volcanoes. It's just a beautiful ride. We slowly come out of the desert into rainforest, and thought you'd like to see it. All right, enjoy the ride.
This is a main road. Awesome. Hopefully the wind noise isn't so bad that it doesn't work, but at this point, this is the best we're gonna get.
Alright, surprise, surprise. More GoPro 9 problems. And this time the jack just is so loose the microphone fell out. So we're just going to go up Haleakala and we're going to talk about what we see. It's so beautiful. We go through so many different temperaments and environments. And I'm going to keep them listed on the lower left corner here so you can kind of see of where I would classify the different stuff we go through. What an awesome ride. Probably one of the best ascents I've ever done.
Battery died. We're on top. We're talking about the bikes. We're a little out of breath. We're at 9,000 feet. We're almost ready to get to the top. And away we go. And off we get. And the bike is definitely winded. I'm winded too, like I'm talking and I'm getting lightheaded. And it's like, we're getting to the top here and it's like alien up here. Like, look at that view. A bush that's surviving, but that's about it. The plants are getting scarcer and scarcer. It's like crazy, the ecosystems here. Wow. Incredible. Honda CB500X. The turn of the day. It's a great bike. I think it'd be a great beginner's bike. Not for me, man. Alright, we're going to the summit. Oh my goodness. It's like the moon, man. Like somehow we are now transported on the moon. Oh, I'm sorry, Brian. I'm kind of crossing lines here and just... Wow, dude. Like, look at this. There's like no vegetation. There's like no vegetation up here. Oh, wow, dude. Look at the crater. Whoa, dude, look at that. Whoa. That is amazing. Look at the crater. What the no way, dude. Alright, we're pulling over. I don't know, I think I just wanted to get some video. I just wanted to walk next to that crater. Did you see the crater on the left?
Yeah. I don't know if there might be trails up there.
Yep. That's the peak right there. This probably goes down maybe the other side, I don't know, or maybe it goes to the observatory. Oh, it's for the observatory. Yeah, all right. It's like the moon up here, guys. It's amazing. It is unlike anything else I've ever seen in my life. It's absolutely astonishing that the world, that this planet Earth that we live on is so diverse. Incredible. Incredible. beautiful. Yeah, we just turn around here. And that is the peak